Hello everyone, take a section from the top, tie a rubber band to it, roll the hair in on itself, take another section from the left and once more roll it in on itself, do the same with the right. Tie it all together and each of these three sections add a rubber band to the middle, once more roll it all in on itself. Take two sections from either side, tie it up at the back. Now, taking multiple sections from the left side, pull it through the section that you've initially created. Do the same for the right side as well. Tie a ponytail with all the hair after this, tie another rubber band in the middle, roll it up into a bun. Tie a rubber band to the base. After this, tie a rubber band to the bottom. Roll the hair upwards into a bun and fasten it using a bobby pin. Tie a rubber band to the base as well and then roll it downwards. Take two sections of the hair, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Take a section from the left side, pull it through the initial section that you have created. Do this a couple of times more until you reach the middle section. Do the same on the right side. Comb the hair. Take two sections of the hair from the front, tie it up at the back. Tie it more towards the right side. Slowly move towards the left side by taking more sections. Thank you for watching.